G'day viewers. Well, it's been a big day. We've got the little girl running. It's still got a few issues. Need a new distributor cap. I'm going to get a rotor button at the same time. But otherwise, I'm happy it starts. So we'll give you a bit of a look. Got my mate Red up, give me a hand to get her all running and wire up that ignition panel for me. And yeah, we'll give you a look at a little bit of getting it started and some of it running. Alright, thanks people. Alright, we got Red here from Gympie. Reckon we'll get it going, Red?
Yeah, mate.
Too easy. Alright, should be a bit noisy with that exhaust, but straight out the extractors, but we'll get it done. Alright, I'm ready to see what's happening.
Watch that, don't touch.
Yeah.
Just leave that. Doesn't need to be tightened yet.
Huh?
Should be hearing this click.
I'm hearing something click.
Oh yeah, okay. Hey, a little bit of squirty fuel so I don't have to crank it so long.
Right,
Action happening. Okay, Cam. Turn that fucking engine out. I don't even have a crank. No. So I just get fucking, you can see the dizzy's out. See that angle there? So just fucking just static. You need something to turn that engine over, dude. Somehow. Fucking spanner on that or on the alternator belt, on the alternator pulley, and just wind the engine over.
righto, we'll see what we got. Righto.
Trying to get you to just hold those roadblocks and get up there and
Oh, righto. Wait on. Give you a bit of start, you bastard.
getting a lot of fucking sound like vacuum, mate. You can give the kind of backfire.
So what's the problem again, Red? Give us a look.
Rotor button, like the little centre of the distributor cap.
So we need a new distributor cap.
Yeah, don't do your rotor button where there. Do them as a matched pair.
Alright. Too easy. We'll have to get onto that then. See if we can let it idle for a bit. Smoke's just coming out of the extractors. They're cut off down there. Still got a little pop in it. That's that bad Desi cap. But should be able to get all that sorted tomorrow. With you, engine starter. One down, 20 odd to go. Well viewers, that's what I've been waiting for. Well, that's what I've been waiting for. I'm pretty happy, to say the least. Yeah, just happy to hear it run after everything. Fix them few little things up, and I've got rear suspension coming next week, so all new springs, spring bushes, new gas Munros shocks. We've got that accelerator cable on. Yeah, so it's all happening. Stick by. I think I'm going to hook into the brakes after all this, so I can actually just drive around the yard a bit. Okay, thanks people. Like, subscribe, comment, share it with your mates. Helps out my algorithm heaps. Yeah, have a great day. I just did. See you, mate.